In this video, we're going to look at absorption in the small intestine. After digestion, this is a list of food substances that you have in your intestine. You've got some glucose and fructose and galactose, which are monosaccharides. You've got some amino acids, glycerol, fatty acids, minerals, including calcium and iron, and also some vitamins, like vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin C. The list here is water-soluble, while those on this side are lipid-soluble. Now let's take a look at the inner surface of the small intestine. Instead of being smooth like this, there actually are many projections, like this. These small projections are called the villus, or villi in plural form. If you magnify it, this is what it looks like, a finger-like projection with some blood capillaries. The blood capillaries here will absorb water-soluble nutrients. Now inside the villus, there is also the lacteal, which contains lymph inside. The lacteal will absorb lipid-soluble nutrients, such as vitamin A and vitamin D. Also, it will absorb glycerol and fatty acid in the form that has been combined into lipids already. Now, the small intestine is actually very well adapted for its function. First of all, if you look at the villi, it's got numerous villi. All of these finger-like projections can help to increase surface area, which makes absorption faster. Secondly, also concerning the villi, the epithelium, or the outermost part of the villi, is only made up of one layer of cell. It's one cell thick, so it decreases the distance that the food has to travel in order to be absorbed. Now also, if you study the cell membrane of the epithelium of the villi, it actually has these microvilli on the surface, okay? Or sometimes we call it brush border. So it can further help increase the surface area, so more area contacts with the food, making absorption faster. Now also, with the blood capillaries and also the lacteal in the villi, the food molecules that are absorbed will be carried away quickly, so new food molecules can be absorbed. Finally, your small intestine is just really long. Having a long small intestine means that you have more time allowed for food to be absorbed.